Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube. What's your girl broke Barbie? I've been using this face wash and it be drying your girl out. Like, dang. Ooh, let me get myself together. Oh, I'm about to be doing my makeup because I'm about to go outside. I can't stay in the house much longer. I'm losing my mind. So I got water and aloe vera in here. And I'm about to put some lotion on because your girl is dry. I got dry skin. And she's dry. She's dry. I'm using some primer. This all this stuff is drugstore products because I don't got no money for no Sephora. Ulta I could do, but Sephora, I ain't shopped there since I ain't have a kid. Now I got a baby. I ain't got time for that. That's what I just use. True Complexion by radiance. Drugstore baby. Or you can use this. I don't use this. I use it in the summer, but you to wash your hands. Yes, I wash my hands. Don't come for me. Don't come for me, baby. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. But yeah, don't come for me. Yes, I wash my hands like every 5 minutes, 30 minutes. Because I be cooking and I be changing diapers and I just be washing dishes all day and I be cleaning and I be working.
Been cooking, cleaning.
I did just have some blisters, but my son probably thought it was a toy. I have to moisturize the skin shaft. Moisturize the skin and this lip, honey. See all that moisture I did? That's why white people don't know. That's why they be looking crusty at 35. Baby, you have to moisturize. I don't care what color you with. You remember our mama used to bounce us in that daggone baby oil? She used to dunk us. Dunk. Yeah, I'm about to do my makeup. I use my hand because I don't like splotchy makeup. Like, yeah. I'll lay it on, baby. I'll lay it on. But I don't like makeup that's splotchy. I mean, I look like I got a whole mask on, but give me casket. All you girls out there that got friends, that got kids, pray for them. Pray for them. Now, this is one of my favorite drugstore concealers. I just love, when I go to the hair store, you know, you just be searching. And when you get to the register, they be having all them little knickknacks and grab-me-ups. And these always be at the front. So I get me a ghetto lip gloss and I get me these. All the colors, girl, even if they don't match, because we can make it work. So this one is my color corrector in orange. It's just an orange corrector. Black girl friendly, baby. I just get around my mouth. I get around. We going for a new look, a new vibe. Everything. I usually do my eyebrows first. Eyebrow time. Listen, you could go to the hair store and get you a brown pencil. That's all you need, brown. Usually it's called ebony. That's all you need. You don't need no extra $30 eyebrow pencil. It's gonna run out in 2 weeks if you do your makeup anyway. It's gonna run out. Let me quit exaggerating. I'm about to skip through this because this is real ghetto. And nobody want to see this. Everybody do their eyebrows different. But I'll give y'all a tutorial on my eyebrows one day. I was saying something before I was talking about how my breath funky. Listen, I don't understand why somebody else gotta tell you your breath is funky, or you musty, or you flat, you talk. You should be able to smell yourself. God gave us mechanisms for us to smell ourselves before anybody else do. Like, y'all be funky. Y'all be funky, like, y'all be so funky. I'm not telling y'all about none of the products I use, so they'll be in the description box, baby, because it's so many products that I'm using, and I just be wanting to run my mouth. I be wanting to run my mouth. They all under $10 a piece, even the brush stick. Man, I'm gonna contour my face because I've been eating. I've been cooking lasagna. My sister and them be cooking steak and stuff. Don't talk about my edges, cause at least I got some, baby. Okay? Don't talk about them. Go to bed! Why is baby trying me today? Cause I'm trying to do something productive with my life. But. I use a small brush for my under eye. Bam! Baby, I be blending. As soon as I'm done with that, I set my face. I love the Lord and I won't take it back. I love the Lord and I won't take it back. I love the Lord and I won't take it back. My mirror, it got like a full, like a regular mirror, and then they got a magnifying mirror, so you can look at yourself. Don't be not looking at yourself, honey. Don't be doing that. That ain't cute. They be like, you too conceited. Baby, I gotta see what I look like. I gotta see what you can, cause you not about to be talking about me when I ain't around. I'm so old school. I be using these Paris for $2.99. And the reason I be using these because they're so close. I mean beauty butters, booty butters, whatever y'all call it. Man, like, it's not broke, don't fix it. And like, you just do. But she like you, baby. She is. I'm not even lying. I'm not. But my whole thing just tipped over. But I'm not gonna you. So what y'all been doing? Y'all been quarantining? Have y'all been staying in the house? Have y'all been bathing? Are some of y'all essential workers? Like, what's the news? What's the tea? What's the vibes? Let your girl know. Let me know. I do this because, like I said, I've been eating a lot, y'all, and I've been eating so much. Like, I like the way it looks when it's sitting. I don't really like eyeshadow like that. Yeah, I just use a little brown. Watch. Let me show you. I just use a little brown to bring her in. A little light brown. See that? A little light brown match my skin. Because my eyelids are a little dark. As I get older, they get darker or whatever. So I just lighten them up. And then I hit you with a darker brown. And just give me a little shadow. Like, I mute the darkness, but then I add the darkness back. And you just blend. I usually line my eyes, but I guess I don't line them. I use a retractable because, honey, them wooden ones, I be sticking myself in the eye too much. I'm not doing nothing else to my eyes. Yeah. Some people leave this on because they don't want they true lip color to show. But baby, we love on this channel, we love a good lip color, honey. We love a good lip color. Yes, babe. We use a black line, and I only line the top, and I shade in wherever my lips is brown, I shade it in. I shade it in. I shade it in because that's what we do. We do that. And then I'm gonna let that sit, and I'm gonna do my lashes because I like it to be pungent. Hair store lashes. Let me stop before I wake my baby up. Hair store lashes is the place to be. I want to give honor, who's the head of my life, to hair store lashes. Okay, let's talk. What do y'all use to keep y'all's lashes on? What glue do y'all use? Because baby, I use hair glue. Who gonna check me about it? That's all I had to say. Next question. Next question. It's gonna break you out. It's gonna mess your eyes up. No, baby, it's gonna mess your eyes up, okay? Since you so worried about mine, it's gonna mess your eyes up. Ooh. Ooh, did you see that come out? And that glitter, that little liner got a little glitter at the top, baby. So I live in Ohio, and we not shut all the way down like the Stewarts ain't shut all the way down. But I need some fresh air. She looking right. Girl, I just want to smell good. I just want to feel good. Get yourself wet, honey. Let me use my grocery list to fan this out, honey. She's gonna go grocery shopping as soon as I get my EPT card back, baby. Can we do a middle part? Oh, I got my fat back arm all up. This is the final look. She looks delicious. The only reason it ain't popping like I want, because you see how they just elevated light? This is the final look. You see that? Honey. You see that? Ooh. You know. A little whoop-de-doo. Checking the sunlight. Oh, yes. Didn't I tell you I was going outside? All right. I went outside. I'm going back in. Y'all be safe. Much love to y'all. Love on y'all's family. You know, that's all we can do right now. Appreciating them. Give them good energy. I gotta FaceTime my man, okay? Cause honey, maybe he'll give me a burger cause I look this good. Times are so hard, but it's gonna get better. You just gotta be positive. It's so hard to be positive, but stay prayed up. You know, try your best to eat at home. Quit eating out. I know it's convenient for the working people out there, the single mothers, single fathers, you know, the working class. But try to get you some full home cooked meals in. Keep your immune system up. Take you extra vitamins. What else I can tell y'all? Stay hydrated. Even if you work, take your butt home after work, okay? I know a lot of stores closing early and all that. Keep your butt at home, okay? That's about it. Like, comment, and subscribe. It's your girl Barbie, and I'm signing out.